Yeah, hello, students. So yesterday, as I have told, today we would be discussing the worksheet discussion for Standard 6 SS. I hope that सबके पास यही worksheet है. Okay. So today, so let's move on without wasting much time. Today we'll discuss up to 1 to 15. पहले 1 से 15 तक के क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स डिस्कस करेंगे. पीडीएफ मैंने ऑलरेडी शेयर किया है ग्रुप में. आई होप राजवी मैम ने आपको सबको सेंड कर दिया है ग्रुप में. मैंने तो भेज दिया है. मैं ऐसा विश्वास करता हूँ कि आपको मिल गया है. ठीक है. सो नाउ लेट्स दिस वीडियो इज़ जस्ट फॉर अ एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट, जहाँ आपको समझाने के लिए आंसर्स, इसलिए. ठीक है. तो ये वीडियो भी आप देख सकते हो. बाकी और आंसर्स आपको ये फेयर बुक में लिखना है. ओके. या तो आज हम 1 से 15 तक देखेंगे. ठीक है. बाकी के मैं आपको दे दूंगा. बाकी के 15 मतलब 30 क्वेश्चन तक हो जाएंगे. तो और फिर ये 5 भी, ये हम सब सारे मैं आपको दे दूंगा एक एक करके. अगर मंडे तक भले ये पूरा वर्कशीट नहीं होता है, लेकिन जितना में हो जाएगा उतना आपको लिख के रखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि चेक तो मैं ही करने वाला हूँ. तो अगर 1 से 15 ही हुआ है तो 1 से 15 मेरे को दिखाना, लेकिन कंप्लीट करके आना. जितना हुआ है उतना तो आपको कंप्लीट करके दिखाना है. ठीक है. तो मंडे अगर आप आओगे तो नोटबुक में जितना मैंने करवाया वो सारे काम सारे लिख के आना. ठीक है. सो एवरीवन शुड कंप्लीट दिस. ओके. या सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड फॉर द एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट. सो व्हाट इज़ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन? The first question is, what is the significance of study of history? मतलब what is the meaning? How can we say that history पढ़ने से हमको क्या जानकारी मिलता है? What does it signify? So the first answer is, the study of history signifies the knowledge of both past as well as present. मतलब हमको past के बारे में भी पता चलता है और present के बारे में भी पता चलता है. So that is what the study of history signifies. So what is that is first one. What is second? Explain reason behind our country named as Bharat. हमारा भारत नाम हमारे कंट्री में कैसा आया? सो व्हाट इज़ द आंसर फॉर दैट? ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल लिव्ड इन नॉर्थ वेस्ट एंड हु वर मेंशन्ड इन द ऋग्वेदा. ऐसे झुंड लोग थे जो नॉर्थ वेस्ट एरिया में रहते थे एंड दे वर मेंशन्ड इन ऋग्वेदा में उनका नाम मेंशन किया हुआ है. एंड विच वॉज द अर्लीस्ट कंपोजिशन इन संस्कृत डेटेड अबाउट 2500 years ago. मीन्स इट वॉज ऑलरेडी रिटन इन द बुक and it was been composed around 2500 years ago, and which was the reason for our country to be named as Bharat. So this was the reason as our country was named as Bharat. Okay, that was the second. What is the third one? Why archaeologists study the fossils of animals, birds and fish? Fossils matlab bones. Okay, so why do they study the fossils of animals and birds? Because the study of fossils of animals, birds and fishes were made by the archaeologists to know what? To know about what people ate in the past. Means they did this study in order to know what the people ate at the past times. What did they used to eat? Okay, so that is what the purpose of studying the bones of animals, birds and fishes was for the archaeologists. Now what is the fourth question? How the study of fossils of animals, birds and fishes helpful to the historians. So ये उनको कैसा helpful हुआ ये study, ये the study of bones of animals, birds and fish. वो study के लिए what was the उसका study कैसा, how the study of was helpful, उनको कैसा मददगार हुआ? How did they find helpful in studying this aspect? What is the answer for that? Answer number 4 is to know about what people ate in the past. The same thing. Okay. The historians they also studied about to know what the people ate in the past. Okay. And what is the fifth question? Yeah, on which objects the inscriptions were being recorded? Inscriptions किस चीज़ में record किया जाता था? Okay, the inscriptions were being recorded on the hard surfaces of stones or metals. So that is the answer. It was written inscription. The meaning of inscription is those were been recorded or been engraved on the stones or metals, means the harder surface. Okay, so that is what the answer number 5 is. What is the question 6? Give the name of languages in which manuscripts were written in India. So what is the name of those languages? Manuscripts कितने languages में लिखे गए थे? What is the answer? Manuscripts were been written in Sanskrit, Prakrit, and also Tamil languages. So these were the three languages. Okay, so that was answer number 6. So what is the question number 7? Yeah, what is the activity of tribal people of Andaman and Nicobar Islands? So Andaman and Nicobar Islands में रहने वाले लोगों का वो क्या activity था? What were their activity regarding people living in Andaman and Nicobar Islands? See, what were the activities? Answer number 7 was, what is that? Fishing, hunting and collecting forest products were the activities of tribal people of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So what are their activities? Fishing, hunting and collecting forest products. Okay, these were the activities of tribal people. So what is that was 7. What is 8? What differences were there in the society in the past? Okay, what were the differences that we could see in the past? So this answer is little longer, so you have to write all things. See, in the past, people living in Andaman and Nicobar Islands got their food by their own. By what were the activities? By fishing, hunting and collecting forest products. Okay, and in the sense, but opposite of that, the people living in cities, how did they manage of getting food? They were dependent on others for supplies of food. Means kind of cities में जैसे stores वगैरह होते हैं ना food के, so they were totally being dependent on those stores. In the people who are living in cities, in this way they used to get their food, while the people living in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, they got their own food by themselves. By what? By fishing, hunting and collecting fish. So these were the differences that existed in the past as well. So these were the difference. Answer of question 8. Now what is question number 9? Define the sources of history. That is on what is sorry. Yeah, and question number 9. What is the sources of history? Sources of history refer to the information from manuscript, inscriptions and archaeology. Means sources of history means what were the sources? जैसे the historians used to have a kind of source. So what were those sources? वो sources क्या थे? Means they referred to what? To get the information from the manuscript, the inscriptions and archaeology. So this was. Now what was the 10th one? What is the activity of historians? Obviously, what are the activities of historians? The activities of the historians include the study about the past. Okay, referring to what? They used to study about the past, which give information from manuscript, inscription and archaeology. So these were the activities of historians. Now what is the 11th one? Describe the work of archaeologists. अभी उनके work, उनके काम क्या थे? Okay, उसको डिस्क्राइब करना है. दैट इज 11. दे स्टडीड अबाउट द रिमेन्स ऑफ बिल्डिंग्स एंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स मेड एंड यूज्ड इन द पास्ट. सो दिस वाज द डिस्क्रिप्शन. मीन्स दे studied in detail. Okay. What did they study? They study about the remains of the buildings, okay, and objects made and used in the past. Means they studied about the objects that were being used to study about the past. So that was their description regarding the study. Okay, so what is the 12th one? Why do you think the substantial information about ordinary people who lived in the past is missing? So ऐसा कैसा हम कह सकते हैं कि पुराने ज़माने के लोगों ने रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया था? So what was the reason of that? That they did not record what they did of their activities. They did not record. So the answer है, they did not record what they did because they lack writing methods. They did not have any writing practice. वो लोग लिख नहीं सकते थे. So that is what they were lacking. Now let's move on for question number 13. What is that? Give the name of the river and its tributaries where the Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were developed. So Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were developed in the tributaries of which river? So answer is Indus River and its tributaries was the river where Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were developed. So this is the answer for 13th one. What is the 14th? To the south of river Ganga, which kingdom was located? So the south of river Ganga, which kingdom was located? See, Magadha. As far as explained, I was explaining in the text. I told you to underline this city. So this is the city. Magadha was the kingdom which was located to the south of river Ganga. So that is the answer. What is the 15th one? The last one for today. See, manuscripts are written on which articles? So in which articles the manuscripts were written? Yeah, that was the question. So manuscripts were written on palm leaf or specially on the bark of a tree. So manuscripts were written on, once again, manuscripts were written on palm leaf and or especially on the bark of a tree. So these were the surface in which manuscripts were mainly written. So that is an answer for question number 15. So today we'll keep up to this, up to 15, and tomorrow or might be on Monday I'll put the other 15. So we'll be covering the whole 30 questions, and then the 5 questions also I'll be providing you. Okay, but in between, within this I'll start chapter number 2 also, but no issue, I'll start the explanation part only, but these answers I will provide one by one as fast as possible. But you have to keep the record of this. You can see the video, and I'll put the PDF files also I'll be sharing. Okay, so please do डाउनलोड द PDF फाइल्स. जैसे ही मैं आंसर्स देते जाऊंगा इसका आपको इसका ग्रुप में आपको मिल ही जाएगा. सो यू हैव टू डाउनलोड इट एंड कीप सेव दिस फाइल्स, सो कि आपको आंसर्स आपके पास रहे और आप ये फेयर बुक में कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. सो सी यू अगेन ऑन मंडे. आई विल बी गिविंग द अदर 15. अगर हो जाए तो ये भी दे दूंगा मंडे, ये 5 क्वेश्चन में सारा ही दे दूंगा. ओके, इसके बाद का 16 से लेके ये भी दे दूंगा, क्योंकि मंडे तक तो टाइम है ना, तो मंडे में ये भी दे दूंगा, तो अपना वर्कशीट भी हो जाएगा मंडे. ओके, या, सो सी यू ऑन मंडे. थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन.